Hi, and welcome back to MyExcelOnline.com. Today we are going to show you how to make an animated curved arrow in Microsoft PowerPoint. So by the end of this video, you should be able to create a curved arrow where when I click, you can see it animated onto the screen like this. Also, we will have some additional training options for you at the end of this video, so stick around for that. So let's say I have a PowerPoint slide. And I have a point up here, and then I want a curved arrow to go from point 1 to point 2. If I go up here to the insert ribbon and go over here to shapes, I can look down here at block arrows. And I'm going to pick this second one right here that says arrow curve to left. And then I can draw that arrow onto the screen by clicking with my left mouse button and dragging down. And if I would like to make this a little bit thicker, I'm going to hover my mouse over this dot right here until it's a double-sided arrow, click with my left mouse button, and drag to the right. And if I want to make it a little taller, I can click this circle right here and drag down a little bit. And then I can keep doing that until the arrow is in the position that I want. So let's say we go up a little bit right here as well. If you are liking this video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell button to get notified when we release our weekly videos. Next, to get that really cool animation, I'm going to make sure the arrow is selected, go up here to animations, and I'm going to select wipe. But you just saw it went from the bottom to the top. I would rather it go from the top to the bottom. So under effect options, I'm going to select from top. So now when I go to slideshow and go to from beginning, I can see that my points are on the screen. And then when I click, my curved arrow has now been wiped onto the screen with the animation. Now we go into this topic a little bit more in detail out on our blog, and I'm going to include a link to that blog entry in the description below on YouTube if you would like to go there and learn more. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them for us and we'll get back to you. Thanks for watching, and see you again next time. If you want to learn more about Microsoft Excel and Office, join our Academy online course and access more than 1,000 video training tutorials so that you can advance your level and get the promotions, pay raises, or new jobs. The link to join our Academy online course is in the description.
If you like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel. And if you're really serious about advancing your Microsoft Excel skills so you can stand out from the crowd and get the jobs, promotions, and pay rises that you deserve, then click up here and join our Academy online course today.